Welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be a big day for the project Altima, so I just wanted to come in here and record this clip of me saying that. Here we go. Today's the day the doors come off. So the plan for this car has changed a little bit. We're going to be swapping this body onto a Chevy GMC something 2500. It's got a 6 point something V8, 300 and something horsepower, and we're going to basically turn this thing into some kind of crazy off-road buggy truck type thing. So one of the things that's going to happen today, the first thing actually, is the doors are coming off. Nobody needs a glove box in a dune buggy. Doors are all off. I got most of the hinges off, but these guys, I don't even know what you call that. Looks like big flathead. That doesn't make any sense. And I'm also going to need an impact driver to get that off. But I'm going to go ahead and drill those out. Let's see if I got through enough of those bolts with the drill to hit them with a hammer. Probably not. Not. Time for the trunk to come off, because what's going to happen is the trunk's going to come out. We might even cut the parcel shelf and take out the windshield, and it's going to become a truck bed. Alright guys, I think my back has about had it for today, but I wanted to show you what we got so far, okay? And then I'm going to take it for a little spin around the yard. Once this thing's all done, it's actually going to be sent out to a ranch that my buddy has for a while, until we can modify it enough to get it street legal again as a sort of buggy type thing, which is going to be a little tricky. Before I call it a day, I have to, pick up all my tools and everything. And I forgot to show you guys this. This is a pile of stuff that came off the car, okay? It's interior parts, trunk latch, all kind of stuff. So, I'm going to weigh that out for you. The doors, I'm sorry, but I am not weighing those doors, at least not today. Those things must be at least 80 pounds a piece. If not 120. They are heavy. I'd really like to know at the end of the day how much weight I got off this car totally. I'd like to bring it somewhere and just go ahead and blow the transmission, just hauling ass with it. So all I've got is a house scale, which I'm gonna... Come on, there we go. Alright. $16.3 pounds there. Let's do some more. That's 19.2. Alright, for these two I'm going to weigh myself. Let's see. That was about 7 pounds right there, 6-7 pounds. And then this from the trunk lid mechanism. £6. So yeah, we got a lot of weight off that car. If you count whatever we did earlier, we've probably got 500 pounds off that car, maybe. Think I can do a front wheel burnout? It does do front wheel burnouts. 175 horsepower in a much lighter car. It'll definitely spin the tires, but I don't want to push it too much. That transmission is... But it moves around the yard pretty good in first gear. I just realized what I made is a golf cart for a lot cheaper than a golf cart costs. So maybe next time you see those $500 cars on Facebook Marketplace with no title, might be worth looking into. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, because it got me really tired on my back and my knee hurt a lot now. But it's pretty cool because I now have a Nissan Altima golf cart in my yard, basically. It's fun. And if you want to see more of it, or the other weird stuff I do here on Mike's Planet Stuff, then click the subscribe button. I also like if you give it a like, but more importantly than anything, drop me a comment, because I really like to hear what you guys have to say. Okay? And I'll see you next time.